Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Kang. Today I'm going to talk about a new topic which is a little bit different from my topic in the past. Today I'm going to talk about network design. How would you interpret or understand a network diagram, a local area network diagram? When you see such a diagram like this, and this. So today I'm going to share with you the methods that you can interpret the network diagram. There are two ways that you can do. First is by core switch. Core switch is also known as a backbone network. Just imagine by looking at this photo, you can see that this is the backbone of a human. It connects our hand, our legs, and our neck. Hence, it is so important. So same for an IT network. A core switch, which is a backbone network, interconnects most of the network segments together, and hence it is the most important in the computer network. Now let's use this as an example. So when you see this typical diagram, how would you go to interpret or understand it? Okay, as usual, if you have a complex task or you have a complex project, so you will break down into small pieces. Therefore, same for this. First, you can interpret this network diagram from the core switch itself. Remember, the core switch is just like our backbone, human backbone. Alright, so what it does is it will let you interconnect here. This is the core switch here. Alright, so you can see that here it connects to the branch. It has a router connect to the branch. Then it has a server farm. It's connected to the server farm. And then the rest are the user. And it's on somewhere is on different floor. And it's also connected to a perimeter firewall, which lets you to go to the internet. So here you can see that this core switch interconnect most of the segment together. Basically, there are four: server farm, firewall, branches, and also the user segment. This one. This user segment can be on different subnet or different VLANs. We interpret it from the angle of core switch. Now, the second way is by the firewall, by perimeter firewall zone or segment. We can interpret a network using a firewall segment. For example, here the firewall is here. So basically what you can see that there are an internal LAN segment as a whole. These are all internal, where all the servers, users, and branch remote user are here. One. Then you have this video conferencing VC segment. Then you have this DMZ segment, which is for your public user to access your public servers. And of course, the fourth is to the WAN, to the internet. So this is one way. What if you see this kind of network diagram with such a bit changes from the previous one? So how many are there? So let's look at one by one. Here, this is considered one segment, so-called internal LAN, internal. And this consists of the user. And here you have a server farm for all the server, which is protected behind a firewall. Usually people put it behind the firewall is for access control purposes. This is to control the attacks such as ransomware, to protect your file server or AD server when there is any ransomware attacks from this user segment. So number 3 you can see is this video conferencing segment. Number 4 is the DMZ segment. And number 5 is the branches to your remote branches, the segment to your remote branches, where you have applied access control to it, so that whenever access the traffic from the branches to go to your server farm to go to a user, it needs to go through a firewall. And the last one is the WAN segment, which leads you to the internet. This is my sharing for today. Thanks for your support, and I hope to get your comment and feedback. If you have a better way, do let me know. Thanks a lot. Bye.